If your Gtech AirRam brush bar is stuck and won't come out, today I'm going to show you how to release it without damaging anything. Now normally we'd just remove the battery for safety and then we'd press the end cap button and the brush bar would pull up nice and easy. But if you get hair and dust build up behind that end cap, it doesn't want to know. So grab yourself a flat-headed screwdriver about a medium size and we're going to put it between the end cap and the body of the vacuum cleaner, and we're not going to hack away at it and damage anything. We're simply going to turn the screwdriver very gently, and that action alone will separate the two parts and lift the brush bar at the same time. Now if you're fed up of constantly having to cut away hair from your Gtech brush bar, they've actually brought out a new design that fits this model. It's anti-hair wrap, it's more efficient and it's quieter, and the end cap is made of metal, so that's stronger too. Also, I think they've improved the release mechanism so we don't get this problem again. I'll put the link to one of those in the description so you can go and buy one. And if your Gtech is ready for a good old deep clean, this next video here will show you exactly how to get it looking and performing like new again.